High Performance Systems here with another case study. This case study is from a brewery in Flemington, New Jersey. This client needed the flooring redone for their main tasting room. We had previously worked with this client a few months prior, and they brought us back to do additional work. Because this was a tasting room, the floor needed to meet a few specific requirements. The floors needed to be waterproof and easily cleaned in case of spillage, and it needed to be able to withstand a lot of foot traffic. But, most importantly, the floor needed to be aesthetically pleasing. The first step of this job was to use our grinders to abrade all areas so they can be more easily resurfaced. The abrasion process allowed for a smooth, even surface that the epoxy could adhere to. Then, we removed all loose and delaminated substrate. Once the floor was ground and cleared, we applied the stain. During the abrasion process, the concrete is etched, which allows for pores to open up in the concrete. That's important because that's what allows the stain to take hold. We used H&C acetone dye stain because it leaves a deep, rich color and dries quickly, allowing us to keep a consistent and speedy workflow. After, we applied a top coat of General Polymers 3746. It's a USDA suitable epoxy that is easy to clean and impact abrasion and chemical resistant. It also has a glossy finish, allowing the floor to have a bright and clean look. Finally, we applied a finishing coat of Resin. That added an extra layer of impact, abrasion, and chemical resistance. This project finished quickly and left the customer with a nice, bright looking floor that was easy to clean and maintain. And, best of all, we were able to do this in all of 2 days. If you're interested in a flooring system similar to this one, then give us a call at 800-928-7220 or visit us at highperformancesystems.com.